is that like the last lecture of this class takes like 10 minutes, like the very last day. So even though we're behind, I'm confident we can get through everything we need to. So we're going to end talking about another mechanism here, continuing our enzyme discussion. And the molecule, the enzyme we're going to look at here is lysozyme. And the way lysozyme works, and we talked about lysozyme in the sugars chapter. Lysozyme, what it does is that it will cut the peptidoglycan layer. So we talked about that before. It will cut the peptidoglycan layer of sugars. And here we're actually looking at the glycan portion of the peptidoglycan where we have our NAG and our NAM sugars. And the way this enzyme works is that we bind 6 sugars at a time. And so we've labeled our sugars A through F, right? And there's one sugar that has its geometry distorted. So the sugar at the D position is forced into what's called the half chair conformation. So in organic chemistry, you've learned like about boat, you've learned about chair. Half chair is like really energetically unfavorable. So that sugar is not having a good time. It is in very energetically unfavorable conformation. And since that's in such an unfavorable conformation, that allows us to cut the glycosidic bond. Remember, this is a glycosidic bond between the D and the E sugar. So the logic here, put one sugar in a bad conformation to allow you to cut at that sugar. The molecules or the sugars that are in D is usually always NAM. So NAM's usually at B, D, and F. NAG's usually at A, C, and E. And that's mainly due to the size of our lactose side chain. Can I upload that PowerPoint? Yeah, I'll do that after class. We're gonna end on this slide. So sorry if that's an inconvenience, but since we only have a minute, I didn't realize I didn't upload this. I thought I did, but apparently I didn't. And the way this happens is through hydrolysis, where we have H2O come in and cut between D and E. And so that ends our time. So I'll upload this. I apologize for not doing that. Otherwise, we will continue on the way we're going. I'll put a homework up that's due on Monday. We'll have lecture on Monday. Wednesday, no lecture. Then lecture next Monday. Then Wednesday is our final. Yeah, so if you have any questions about anything, or not, next Wednesday is our test 4. Or sorry, 2 Wednesdays is test 4, not our final, test 4. But yeah, if you have questions about anything, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday, hopefully. Take care, everybody.